Hi there everyone, this is Abhishek back again with another tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can use the PT100 sensor with MAX31865 module. So MAX31865 module is used because it gives a very accurate temperature reading and it works with the 2-wire PT100 sensor, 3-wire PT100 sensor and the 4-wire PT100 sensor. You can see the diagram on the screen how you can connect each sensor with the MAX31865 module. So basically there is some pads you have to solder between when you are using a 3-wire and a 4-wire. So in the screen I am also showing the diagram how you can connect the pads, and then after that, you can connect your ESP32 with the MAX31865 module by using a SPI communication. You can see the circuit diagram on the screen. I'm using a CS pin for the pin number 5, MIFI for the pin number 23, and I'm using a GPIO 19 for the MIFO pin, and for the clock pin, I'm using a pin number 18. And go to the library manager, download the MAX31865 library by Adafruit. After downloading the library, you have to just go to the library, go to the examples, and in the example you can go Adafruit MAX31865 library and open the examples, and after that you have to just add the whatever pin you want to use for the SPI communication. After that, just go to the tools option, select your ESP32 board and choose the COM port, and then upload the code on your ESP32 board. But before doing this, if you are already not installing the ESP32 board package manager, then go to the file option, reference option, and go to the additional board manager URL option and paste this URL on here. Click on the OK button and then again OK button, and then go to the board manager option and type the ESP32 on here and download the ESP32 by Express if system. And after installing this, restart your Arduino IDE and then upload the code on your ESP32 board, and then you can see the temperature value on the serial monitor. So you can see the temperature value is 25.67 degrees Celsius and the RTD raw value is 382, PT100 resistance 109.99 ohms, and the temperature 25.67 degrees Celsius. So PT100 gives a very accurate temperature readings, and it is most of the time used for the industrial temperature monitor. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button so that you will never miss the update. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.